Life means change. So does business. This time everything changed. Everywhere. We learned to cope. We found ways to adapt digitally. We purchased everything online. Once again, we transformed for the new normal. Transform your company. Adapt with Salesforce. The global leader in CRM for 14 consecutive years. Rebuild your company with Kofana. Just like our countless happy customers did. We help you achieve results fast. With our industry and process know-how. Amazing team with great Salesforce skills. Meticulous and effective project management, and our strong partnerships with Salesforce native technologies to boost your success. Adapt with Salesforce, rebuild with Kofana, and be ready for any normal, anytime.